miners, Mining King here. Today we're going to be talking about my strategies for 2024 for GPU mining. So let's get right into it. So today I'm going to be talking about my strategies moving forward for this year, right? We just finished 2023. It's been a crazy year for me. You know, I've been a part of my company Terra, and you know, my YouTube channel has been growing. It's been just total craziness for me anyways. It's been really fun and exciting. And today I just want to share with you guys, you know, my strategies and what I'm going to be doing. And this was actually a strategy that was kind of, I don't want to say stealing, but I'm going to use the same strategy as somebody that I was talking to in our Discord and Misfit Mining. His name's XP1. I also met XP1 out here in Arizona. So that was really cool to meet him all the way from Romania. So my plan is to set up certain coins and targets that I want to hit, right, for certain projects. And I'm not going to get into, I'm going to do a separate video for each one of these coins going forward, like maybe once a week, because I don't want to get into why I want to mine these coins and why I think they'll be good. Today we're just going to be covering like what coins have I chose and what coins and how much of those coins I've actually accumulated for some of these goals, because I think this is a pretty good strategy to set up where you mine this coin and you have a number you want to hit, whether it's 100 coins, 1,000, 500, 10, a million, whatever it is that you want to hit for that particular coin. You're going to mine that coin until you hit that goal, and then you're going to move on to the next goal. Now, one part of my strategy that I am using is going to be, I am watching hash rates go up and down. So if I'm about to, let's say, complete one of my milestones for one of my coins, I'm going to go across my list and I'm going to say, which one has the lowest hash rate that I could actually mine and get the most yield from? So I do I go to mining pool, you know, stats, and I do cross-reference what coins I'm interested in versus what their hash rates are, what they were, you know, a week or two ago. Are they trending down? Are they going up? So this is something you will kind of have to pay attention to using this strategy. So here are the coins that I'm interested in. So one of my main coins that obviously I've been a long time advocate for is going to be Flux. Now, early on this year, I set out to hit 12,500 Flux, and I did meet that goal. So right now, I'm currently sitting at around 12,744 Flux. So I've already hit my goal. Now that doesn't mean that I won't set another goal down the road. So what I like to do is I like to try to accumulate like a certain amount, and then once I hit that number, I'll move on to another coin. And then maybe if I've like hit a few targets that I've recently hit, maybe I'll reevaluate some of these coins and see which one do I think I might want more of, right? But setting these goals kind of keeps you focused. The next coin we're going to be talking about is going to be Radiant. Now, I know I used to run a Radiant pool, and I appreciate everybody's support who did support my pool. I'm super appreciative of it, man. The community was awesome. I believe we got the pool to I think 6th or 5th place at one point. It was just killing it, just getting blocks left and right. It was amazing to do that. Now, it was a lot of work, and I did have some errors go on the pool, and I unfortunately had to close the pool down. Now, I'm sorry about that. I may in the future bring the mining pool back, but that's undetermined right now. But so with Radiant, I really like this project. It's great transactionally, and I think it's going to do quite well in the bull run, and I think it's pretty undervalued right now. So I have I have 264,000. I did recently, 2 weeks ago, hit my goal of how much Radiant I wanted to mine, which was 250,000. So I check it every couple of days, and I'm a little over, but no big deal, right? My goal was to hit 250,000. So I hit 250,000 and I stopped. I went to go find another coin to mine, which did take me a few days. So over the last 8, 9 days now, I've been mining my next coin, which is going to be Chlor. Now, my first initial goal with Chlor, because the hash rate is really high on Chlor, it was kind of trending down, but I have noticed it starting to come back up. And it is a Kapow coin. Now, I do have 32 6700 XTs. So those are some of my favorite mining cards. I love tuning those cards. Maybe I'll do some how-to videos of how to tune your 6700s. So I really enjoy the AMD cards because they really give you that freedom of, overclocking and undervolting. Now I am actively my other coin that I am mining with one of my only NVIDIA rigs I do have on right now as far as mining is my 3070 Ti rig, which is mining lithium. So I think lithium is going to do quite well in the next bull run, as well as, you got the news of Bitmain and ASICs coming online. So I want to accumulate as much of this as possible. So as you can see here, I right now have about 125 of lithium, and my goal is to hit 1,000 of lithium. So I'm just going to keep the 3070 Ti's on a lithium until I hit that goal. And right now, currently, my mindset is I might just leave it on until the ASICs come on and just get as much a lithium as I possibly can. So I know there's a lot of people on a lithium. I've seen a lot of people in our, at our hosting company. I know at least one client that has like 20 octominers on it. So I know there's some really strong, a lithium believers out there. So I don't know enough about the project. I did watch Shote's interview that he did a while back, which is a good watch if you guys are interested. So be sure to watch that. So now that I've hit my 1,000 Chlor though, right, because that was my goal with Chlor, right now I'm at 1,014 right now for Chlor. So with that being said, it's taking into account now that I need to actually find something else to mine. So what that's going to mean is now I have to go across some of my other coins that I'm either looking at that maybe I've mined a little bit or I haven't mined at all. Now, what are these 4 other coins that I'm seriously looking at right now that I really want to accumulate in the next phase of my accumulation period, right? Now you'll see up here that these are going to be my next 4 coins that I'm interested in myself, right? I am interested in these coins. So, which is going to be Nexa, Ergo, Neoxa, as well as NeurAI. And for right now, I don't know a lot about NeurAI, but this is going to be kind of my mindset is anything like DJ says, anything with AI is the trending buzzword, especially within data centers, across all the stock markets and things like that. Not financial advice, but I need to actually sit down and I need to see what NeurAI is doing, but I don't really have that much of it right now. As you can see in my current bags right now up here, that I don't have that much of some of these coins. I have a little bit of some of these coins, but these are the ones that I'm mainly going to be looking at. Now, as far as hash rates go, Neoxa might be the best choice, right? Because right now, out of all these coins, the hash rate is extremely low. As well as I do believe next in line would be Nexapow. Now, Ergo is also another great choice. I don't have a lot of Ergo, but I would have liked to accumulate some more. Now, I think between the two, moving forward, I'm either going to choose Neoxa or I'm going to choose Nexapow. But I'll let you guys know. I'll post a short of exactly what my next coin is going to be. So these are my strategies. I don't even know what I call them strategies, but this is my strategy that I am using. And I think, when I talked to XB1 and we were sitting down having a drink, that it really made sense to me because this last year I've been kind of all over the place mining all these different coins and everybody's been like running around and I picked up little bits of here and there of stuff. This really like you put it down on paper and you say, hey, I want to hit this goal and I'm not getting off this train until I get my goal. And then you could always reevaluate those goals if you decide to get more down the road. Like, let's say you just see a huge fall off in, I don't know, like ergo hash rate, and you're like, okay, now's a great time to go mine ergo because everybody else is mining, you know, dog shit coin or whatever the hell came out this week, right? So these are just some things that I'm doing. Now, another way you could do this if you wanted to accumulate some of these coins is you could mine what's most profitable and trade into the coin that you are trying to get. So if it's more profitable to mine, we'll just say Chlor or any of these other coins, but the coin you really want to get is going to be Ergo. If it's more profitable to mine that, then you'd be better off suited of mining these other coins possibly, and then trading into those coins. So that's another strategy you could use as well. I call that the general voltage strategy. So these are just some of my coins that I'm interested in. I'll be doing maybe, I don't know if you want to call it a deep dive video, but I'll be going into explanations of why I chose each of these projects. All right, guys, this is the Money King giving you the most hashes, and I'll see you next time.